Hey guys, this is Desiree from Vapor Honing Technologies. We're going to go over 3 frequently asked questions. The first one is, in the trade-in program, does that include depreciation when I trade in my old machine? The answer is no. For the lifetime of your machine, there is no depreciation. You're going to get a full credit for what you initially paid. Second question is, do we offer financing? And the answer to that is we do not offer in-house financing, but we partnered with third-party financing. So feel free to call in to ask more questions about that. Third question that I get is, do you guys offer sample testing? Yes, we do offer sample testing if you want to mail in 1 or 2 components so that we can demonstrate how vapor honing can benefit your surface finishing or prepping process. For more information, feel free to visit our website or call us directly at 828-202-5563, and thanks for watching.